Hello guys, so today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a real working stylus. So for that you need a body of a pen, an earbud, a copper wire and a bit of water. Okay, so what you have to do is open the cap of the pen and you have to put this copper wire like this. Just like this. Bend it, put the other end. So I can't open it. So if you can open it, just put it here just like this. You have to put it. Okay. Now you have to do what? You have to take this earbud and you have to put it like this. You put it like this. Okay. After doing that, you have to do what? You have to take some water. Okay, and give it a bit here. Give the water here nicely. So you might be thinking, why am I doing this? So the answer is the electrostatic force is coming from our body through the copper wire, and where it will go. As you know, water is a conductor of electricity, so it is pulling the electrostatic force from our body, and now it will work. Just see how it will work. So I'll pause the video and I will bring my mobile and I will show you this real working stylus. So if this works, then please like this video. If it doesn't work, then dislike this video and please subscribe to my channel if it really works. So please wait.
A few moments later.
So as you can see, I have brought my mobile. Now it's the previous one stylus only. As you can see, nothing is changed and my finger is not on the phone. So I'm gonna use it. See, this is what I'm gonna do my sign. So this is my sign, very bad. Please don't abuse me for that. Now as you guys told me, means I told you that if it works, then please like the video. So please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And remember one thing, if you don't give the water nicely, then it will not work. So if it is dry, then you have to do what? Take the water and dip it like this. Dip it like this, just like this. And you have to take a cloth and you have to just rub it. Okay. So here is my cloth. Okay, I have rubbed it nicely, so the phone will not get wet. So see, it is working. And if it's that, then it won't work. Okay, so remember this thing. And this is the video. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please like the video. Okay.